Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Nitro Pak. Nitro Pak makes gear and products to help prepare you for the worst and be pretty much ready for anything. Their specialty is survival, first aid, and just overall preparedness. They have a ton of different products that are all perfect for wilderness preparedness, especially when it comes from dehydrated or freeze-dried prepared food. But today we're going to be checking out Nitro Pak's Deluxe 3-Day Grab and Go food bag. This pack comes with 3 meals for 3 days, all from Mountain House's delicious freeze-dried entrees. Each meal is different. You get a pretty solid variety, so you're not eating the same thing for every meal. Some which include the classic pasta primavera, or the tried and true chicken teriyaki. And how can you possibly go wrong with breakfast skillet? Plus, on top of getting a ton of awesome meals, you also get the water for each meal to rehydrate it. So you don't have to necessarily think about that or take care of it yourself. It comes with the means to eat these, so you're not just crunching on freeze-dried food. All of this comes in Nitro Pak's awesome backpack. It's a great container for all the different pouches of freeze-dried food, and just works as a great bug out bag. Great literal grab and go bag. All the meals and water fit perfectly in the main chamber of the bag. It's lightweight, comfortable to carry, and adjust to fit. Plus there's a few additional pockets and pouches, so you can add a poncho or garbage bags, a knife, things that you would need in an emergency situation. Plus it has 2 mesh pockets on either side, so great for extra water. This bag is definitely lightweight, but overall, this entire kit isn't necessarily ultra light. Whether the emergency is a natural disaster or just a last-minute camping trip, you can pretty much be ready for anything with this deluxe 3-day grab-and-go food bag. Plus, you can't eat money, so if you really are in an emergency situation, this is an incredible thing to have. All of the meals can last up for 30 years, so they are really shelf-stable. The water pouches can last up to 5 years, so that's something to keep in mind. You will have to replace these sooner than you will have to replace these meals. If you want something to keep you covered in the face of an emergency, I would definitely recommend checking out Nitro Pak, and more specifically their deluxe 3-day grab-and-go food bag. Anything can happen. This is a great thing just to have on hand, just in case. Things are getting crazy in the world. Gotta be ready for anything. Next thing you know, robots coming out from outer space. What's gonna happen when they start blowing up supermarkets? I don't know, but if you have this grab and go food bag, then at least you're covered for 3 days. That's it for our first look of Nitro Pak's Deluxe 3-day grab and go food bag. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, say hey in the comment section. I don't know, whatever you want to do. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.